I buy a chicken, fresh and plump. Lay it down with solid thump. Grab my knife, so sharp and keen. Time to make a poultry scene. I chop a leg, I dice a wing. Oh joy that slicing bring. But I hit a bony spot. Why my chicken bone I forgot. I whacked and whacked with all my might. Feather flew, that's not right. I started muttering chicken prayer as meat chunk into the air. I grab my bowl, it's time to mix for a chicken ball, my clever fix. 1 cup flour, self-raising tool, the butter going to be my breakthrough. A teaspoon salt, I sprinkle in the corn flour doing, it getting thin. I add some water, splash by splash, the butter thicker, I brashly bash. But wait, what's that? A Lloyd White slap, the flour, in the floor, white trap. I hit the counter, hit the floor, even smack the kitchen door. I slap it back, the butter fight, it making strange and squeaky sight. With every slap, noise doors grow, my kitchen now, a one-man show. At last, I tame the messy beast, the flour ready for the feast. With chicken ball, soon hot and fry, I wipe the kitchen floor with my pride. In Chinese kitchen, the wok on fire. The chef throw chicken with wild desire. He chop and dice with lightning speed, while shouting order, no one heed. More flour, more butter, ring a call. As chicken piece he start to fall. Into the gooey mix they dive, bounce, bounce, like they still alive. The wok blah, the oil, a splash, I duck my head. The crash, the sizzle pop, the bubble roar. One chicken ball roll out the door. The chef, he grin, no time to pour. He flipping ball like flipping balls. With every toss, they spin and twirl. Half flying chicken dance, he whirl. The chaos clam, the feat complete. Golden chicken ball, crispy meat. But in the chicken, oh beware, it's a food fight. Wait for a flare. Y'all step in the kitchen, got my apron tied. Gonna make my chicken ball, fry 'em just right. Rolling up a ball, making them round. Drop 'em in the oil with a sizzling sound. Bubble, bubble, pop, you know they're getting crisp. Chicken ball magic, you're begging for a dish. Chicken ball hustle, fry 'em all day. Dip 'em in the sauce, we ain't here to play. Crispy on the outside, tender on the bite. Chicken ball game, yeah, we're cooking all right. Yo, step in the kitchen, got my apron tied. Gonna make my chicken ball, fry 'em just right. Rolling up a ball, making them round, dropping in the oil with a sizzling sound. Bubble, bubble, pop, they'll get them crisp. Chicken ball magic, begging for a dish.